So any website to understand search engine for crawling purpose, main one is called XML sitemap. That is called crawl your website on search engine purpose. So in this website is called xml-sitemaps.com. xml-sitemap.com. Any new website, any existing website, sitemap updation will be every 1 week is important. Copy the URL, paste, click for more option, including page lost modification as nothing but any website, any modification done, XML sitemap will be mandatory update to ranking your search engine purpose. Automatically calculate page PRT. Is your calculated by your page PRT 0.8 or 1 or 0.6. The calculated by your page PRT option. Next will be change the frequency always. Change frequency will be always. This value indicate how frequently the content is particular URL likely to change. Any content will be changed, the scrolling will be changed. It dependent by the link and the content. Any content will be changed. They update your XML sitemap. Start. The free of cost is the downloading for 500 pages. The free of cost downloading for 500 pages. Select it. All pages will be counting started here. Wait for a few seconds. So every page will be countdown will be started. So they are calling your website. Up to count your wait your pages count. So when page count will be done, it's waiting for download your option. Wait for your page counting. So your take for timing purpose, I'm changing the site. Again, click the view sitemap and download your sitemap file. Select it. File was downloaded and updating for cPanel. Updating for cPanel. In the updating purpose, log in your username and password. To update any sitemap.xml, go to file manager on cPanel. The option call is public_HTML. If file any exists, they call replace. Upload. Select your XML sitemap. Select your XML sitemap. Go to download sitemap.xml. If all exists, they call replace. Replace your file. This is called any XML sitemap update by dynamic or static every week to update your file. Suppose you can upload by every day on your files, update by the every day to XML sitemap. This is a mandatory field on particular static and dynamic website.